Hello traders, my name is Nelly and I'm a performance coach at FTMO. And in this short video, I will show you how to book your performance coaching session, what happens after you book, and how to join your meeting. So, let's get started. First, log into your FTMO client area. Then go to the Performance Coach section. Here you can see a list of available sessions together with specific dates and times. All times are displayed in GMT as well as your local time, which is based on your computer settings. Before booking, please double check your time zone to make sure it matches your local one. Once you choose your preferred time, simply click Book. After booking, you will receive a confirmation email with all the details of your session, including the date, time, and Google Meet link. Please note that this process is done manually, so it might take a few hours or even a day before you receive the email. Once you get it, I recommend adding the session into your calendar right away. We use Google Meet for all coaching sessions. If you are joining from a computer, you do not need to install anything, as the meeting will open directly in your browser. Just click on the link and window will open. Please make sure to allow your microphone and camera so we can hear and see each other. Then click Join and wait for your coach to let you in. If you are using a mobile phone, simply download the Google Meet app ahead of time and use the same link to join the call. For your first session, your coach is assigned randomly. After that, if you decide to book another session, you can choose the coach you would like to work with the next time. If you want to learn more about each of us before booking, you can find more information about all FTMO performance coaches on our official website. Once you are in the meeting, your coach will greet you and guide you through the session. The conversation usually lasts about 1 hour and is held in English. After your session, you will have the chance to leave feedback about your experience. Your opinion is very valuable to us, as it helps us keep improving our service for all FTMO traders. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you to understand how to book and join your performance coaching session. I look forward to meeting you online soon. And until the next time, trade safe.